Welcome back. This is Coffered Connections, and from where we left off yesterday, we completed the one coffer and showed you the lighting display, which is a neat feature. Somewhat cheap, but expensive. Something you want to do, you can either just put wood there or put the lighting panels. The fancy lights, regular lights, put pot lights in the middle, coffers, whatever you choose. So we're working our way across here. Got the outside perimeter, the 4-inch perimeter, which is actually 3 3/4 all the way around, plus the drywall that's going to go on there. And this end here is a small drop-down header there. You can see the wires hanging down there for 2 lights. This is the back of the bar. So there'll be a television back there, and each side of the television will be shelving for various alcohol beverages that you like to partake in. So right now we're going to continue on. We completed the corner there last night, which was the most focal point of this, as you can see. So as far as materials go, we were using 2x8s to make the coffered corners 45 degrees. So the dimensions on those for this project equal the width of these two 2x4s, which is 7 inches. So each one of these corners here, the depth is 7 inches. The face is roughly 9 3/4, I believe. Use Pythagorean's theorem, which leaves you the same spacing across. And we're going to continue on. We're just finished that corner there. We'll finish off here. Interesting feature we got here is when we get to this point here, there's going to be a pot light in the center of this one coffer. We'll get into that once we get there. That light will be removed. It's just temporary. And over here, also because of the weird shape of the room, which is angled wall, I'll show you this. There's a wall on a 45-degree angle. This wall is going to contain a 65-gallon fish tank, saltwater fish tank. But above that, I didn't want to build just a small, tiny coffer, so I left it. It's going to be a section of the ceiling with a pot light centered to the wall over the fish tank. Should be a nice little feature. So 4 pot lights in total. So we'll get to it, and we'll be back later on. Show you the results. Thanks. Hey, where's my vice president?